I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick unboxing of the Google Pixel 6 Pro. This will be a very basic video because there's already a lot of information about this phone. Of course, you have your 5,000 milliamp battery, you have your 120 hertz HDR10 plus display, and of course you have your 3 cameras on the back. So that being said, I'll do a quick unboxing, show you guys here that I do have the phone that just came in here. I'm going to be doing a lot of video testing and photo testing on this phone, as well as benchmarks. So if you guys want to see that, please let me know, because there's already a lot of information out there. I want to do things a little bit differently. If there's any specific tests that you guys want me to do, specific games you want me to run, specific benchmarks that you want me to run, specific video and lighting and photo and lighting tests that you guys want me to do, let me know. So just doing a quick unboxing here. Take a look at the phone here. The cable, I went ahead and got a 30-watt power supply. It does not come with the phone. And yeah, I just want to do a quick unboxing, show you guys here that you do have the phone now, and I'll be creating content. Let me know what you guys want to see in the comments below, any kind of benchmark, game test, specific video and photo lighting test. Let me know in the comments below.